Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you top 5 Google Assistant commands on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. The first one is gonna be about the traffic to a certain destination. Let me show you that. How's the traffic to the nearest shopping center?
There's heavy traffic on the way to JUBILAT, so it should take 8 minutes.
You can see that it gives me an answer about the traffic. The next one is scheduling different events or reminders. Let me show you that as well. Remind me to call my friends every Sunday at 6 p.m.
Sure, I'll remind you every Sunday at 6 p.m.
And it's saved in Google Tasks. The next thing is asking about sports scores or any other scores. Football scores.
These came back from a search.
You can see it gives me the scores, and sometimes it may if there are some recent football games or any other sports games, it will show me the results in boxes here. Then the next thing is finding nearby places like shopping centers, restaurants, or anything else. Let me show you that. Find shopping centers nearby.
I found a few places near you.
And you can see that as well. And the last thing I want to show you is converting units, currencies, or math like calculations. How many kilometers in a mile?
1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers.
And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.